Today's topic is whether I should make a move if I'm getting a salary hike. A very general kind of a question, and the answer would always be yes. It is yes, but please look into the other factors. So, here I am pointing out the various factors other than salary hike. So, first, very important factor is what are the kind of what is the kind of working over there, that is 6 day working or 5 day working. So अगर आप 5 day working से switch over कर रहे हैं 6 day working में, तो 52 days आप already in a year you are working extra, so the salary hike might be compensated there if you are not getting that kind of salary hike. Second would be what is the kind of environment over there, कैसा कल्चर है वहाँ पर, जूनियर्स किस तरह से ट्रीट किए जाते हैं, लीडरशिप क्या समझती है अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. सो टॉक्सिसिटी तो नहीं है वहाँ के कल्चर में, राइट. थर्ड इज द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. With COVID, the companies are giving this flexibility option to their employees. तो आप जब चेंज कर रहे हैं तो क्या उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वर्क फ्रॉम होम का कॉन्सेप्ट है? Work from home only when it is required, not every day obviously, but whenever it is required, is it there, that flexibility is there or not? Then what is the kind of leave structures? कितनी लीव्स आपको इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मिल रही थी, कितनी लीव्स आपको अब दूसरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मिल रही हैं. सो व्हाट आर द काइंड ऑफ CLs, ELs, MLs, maternity, paternity, what are the kind of leaves that you need to check out. Then we come to the technical part, that is the insurance benefits. Are you covered under your medical insurance, and what is the kind of, at times even parents are covered under insurance. So what is that insurance cover, medical cover, कितना है आपके पास. Then we have the technical part is the fixed salary and the variable. So variable pay में ज़रूर कुछ ना कुछ ऊपर नीचे होता है. So kindly check into that variable details also. Third technical point, very important, is the tax structure. कितना tax structure है, कैसा payout रहता है, and how you are compensated for that. And last but not the least is the review cycle. So reviews are usually done once in a year, and if you are joining a little late in that review cycle, for example January or December is the review cycle, तो अगर आपने मार्च या अप्रैल में ज्वाइन किया तो यूजुअली आप जो हैं 15 to 18 months के रिव्यू साइकिल पे रहते हैं, which is also a little not good for you. So just look into these matters before you make this big change. All the best.